beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this ice cream that will leave your children asking for more and you too. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Okay, so this is my hibiscus flower, also known as sobo leaf. Okay, so all I did here is to wash it properly, put it inside my pot, and I added in water. So I'm going to cook this for a few minutes. Okay, and after that, this is it. So I went ahead to sieve it. So this is after sieving. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my corn flour, and this was a bit warm already, like it has cooled down a bit. So I added in my corn flour. I'll stir everything properly and I'll send it to the heat again. So I'm going to stir this so everything dissolves properly, and I'm going to cook for a few more minutes. So this is after a few minutes. I'm going to stir everything properly and I'll allow it to cool down completely. Next, I'll transfer it into my bowl. So next, I'll be adding in my sugar. You can use any quantity, and at this point I used half cup of sugar. Okay, I'm going to mix everything to dissolve properly, and I'm adding in my milk. This milk is powdered milk, and I added in water. Okay, so I mix it with water. So I'm going to mix everything together to combine. So if you use a normal milk, thick milk, condensed milk, it will be more creamy. Okay, so you can go ahead to add more. Just do you. So next, I'll scoop it into my nylon bag, and you can use anything that you like to use for packaging it. Okay, so I'm going to tie everything properly, and this is it. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. Okay, so this is it, and I used this other nylon too. So this is what I got. I'll go ahead to refrigerate it. See, you definitely love this. Please try this and let me know what you think about this video. See you in my next video. From me is bye.